Have you discovered 3 at 3 yet?
3 at 3 is a lifestyle show that explores everything sewing, quilting, and your creative lifestyle.
This show is at the center of a community of like-minded people. You can ask questions.
She says, how was my machine? I like that ownership already.
Comment and interact with your friends around the globe. And at the same time, learn from seasoned sewing and quilting pros.
The girlfriend community is about as authentic as it gets. The conversations are fun. These hexagons start as circles. What? The instruction is great, but we'll walk you through projects and show you tips and tricks to get your sewing projects done.
And provide some inspiration for your next sewing project as well.
So join us every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time for 3 at 3, where we always have something to make you smile, something to learn, and something to discover. Let's go.